turn on your video and unmute your device. And turn on your video.
It's not letting me. I'm trying to turn it on.
Touch the camera at the bottom left-hand side of your screen.
Okay.
36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding while court's in session. There's no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, smoking, or eating, or going in and out of the camera. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Chatwin. Everyone, when I call your name, let the lawyer say their name first, and you can say yours. This is the People versus Mamie Radney. Ticket number SP 1461141, count 1, driver's license number fire, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and ticket number 155489555, count 1, drove a license not valid or proper license. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Yes, Ellen Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, please?
Mamie Radney.
Yes. Your Honor, today, date, and time set for trial in these three matters. The police officers have indicated that they have no recollection and are not able to proceed. Defense moves to dismiss at this time.
You stipulate the probable cause, Mr. Soroki.
Yes, Your Honor.
As our president, you are all set, Ms. Radney. Good luck to you, ma'am. This is the People versus Brandon Ramey, ticket number. One moment. Ticket number SP 1390858, count 1, reckless driving, count 2, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Brandon Remy.
Yes. Your Honor, Mr. Ramey wishes to accept the offer of prosecution. The reckless driving ticket will be reduced to fail to use due care and caution while using a maintenance vehicle. And the second ticket of driver's license suspended will be dismissed.
Raise your right hand, sir. Mr. Do you swear or affirm to the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You pleading on your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Saying that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of October 5th, 2022 at 6:09 p.m. On that date, time near Houston, Whittier, and Hayes Street, the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Were you driving 2020 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
Recklessly driving that vehicle?
Yes.
Is that Mrs. Rogie?
Yes, Your Honor.
That satisfaction basis will amend that count to fail to use due care and caution to a waste utility maintenance vehicle, and will you stipulate to probable cause as in count 2 to be dismissed without prejudice?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Mr. Ramey, can you have that fine paid by May 15th?
Yes.
Any questions, sir?
Nope.
You said no?
No.
You're all set, sir.
Thank you.
Ms. Radney, we completed your matter. It was dismissed without prejudice.
Okay, so I can leave?
Yes,
Thank you.
welcome.
All right, this is the People versus Dan. Daniel Raha, ticket number SP 1415582. Count one, drive a registered or untitled vehicle. That was count one. Count two is drive while license suspended. And ticket number SP 1415583. Count one, no proof of insurance. Good morning. Please say your names to the record. Mr. Saylor, you gotta unmute yourself.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Araha Daniel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kendall Seiler on behalf of Mr. Daniel.
It looks like there is an offer of allowing your client wishes to avail himself to that offer, Mr. Saylor.
He does, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Daniel, can you raise your right hand, sir? You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Keep your hand out. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney about your case and your rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise the value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes, Your Honor.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that you said this is a 3-month delay sentence?
Yes,
You
Your Honor.
understand that you understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of December 15, 2022 at 4:19 p.m. on that date and time at or near Michigan Avenue, Griswold, in the city of Detroit.
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you driving 2010 Lincoln vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Driving while your license was suspended?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're satisfied, Mr. Saylor?
I am, Your Honor.
Of course, also satisfied factual basis, will amend that count to allowing and a licensed driver to drive. Do you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice?
Yes, Your Honor.
They're dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence. So you're gonna come back in 3 months, which is gonna be July 13th is your next court date. During the 3 months, you can't get any more tickets. And you need to pay a fine of $200. If you pay your $200 fine, don't get any more tickets, then this will be dismissed off your record, okay?
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Your next court date is July 13th at 8:35.
Thanks very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Thank you, Kendall. Hope you have a good day, Your Honor.
Oh, Araha, he's already coming.
That's what we just did.
Just,
Want to get out there.
glad you wrote it down, Chuck. That's all. This is Delahue, and I already sent that over to Ms. Carter.
Sir, I'm waiting for an interpreter. I'm waiting for an interpreter. Hold on.
I thought you had a tenant property.
I'm getting an interpreter for you.
It's a operating by the city of Detroit.
Yes, she mentioned.
Dozer A, turn on your video and give me your name. Dozer A.
Aaron Dozer.
What is your name?
Aaron Dozer.
And Mr. Dozer, I have to find somewhere to be seated because you're in court. Dozer. Aaron Dozer.
I'm going through TSA. Up the car case right.
Mr. Dozer, first of all, you are late.
I
Yep.
know I had to get paper. I ain't even in Detroit right now. I had the paper sent over so I could log in and all of that.
Do you have a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Let's look up. Okay, we're gonna look it up. Give us one moment.
And Mr. Dozier, try to be somewhere still. Mr. Delahood, turn on your video. Mr. Mario Delahood, turn on your video. Mr. Delahood,
That's it. They will print my other pass.
on your video.
I only got one pass.
I do a quick boarding pass. Give me a second, sir. Let me help you get a boarding pass. So the lady right there actually. Boarding pass.
Good morning, Ms. Villarreal.
Good morning. How are you?
Well, I tried what little Spanish I know from high school and college. I tried it, didn't work. So we don't know who this gentleman is. So we're gonna bring him in, and if you can speak to him, it would be awesome.
Absolutely, Your Honor, with pleasure.
Judge, could you fix your camera? We can't see you.
Oh, you can't see? Oh. So, Ms. Villarreal, can you ask him his name, please? Yeah.
Is he on the Galaxy, Your Honor? Is that what I'm saying?
Galaxy 8, yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Turner. Yeah. Señor que tiene el teléfono Galaxy, buenos días. ¿Cuál es tu nombre?
Carlos Daniel Ramírez Pérez.
Carlos
Daniel
Ramírez
Pérez.
Ramírez Pérez, gracias. This is Carlos Ramirez Perez.
Ramirez Perez.
Yes.
Let me look him up. I don't think he's on our document.
Oh.
So I'll look him up. Thank you.
Vamos a buscar dónde está su caso.
No, está bien, gracias.
Thank you.
Ramirez Perez, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's correct, Mr.
Okay.
Petway. That is correct.
Does he have a case number?
Señor, ¿tiene usted un número de caso?
Tengo dos, la verdad.
I have two numbers, in fact.
So this is strange. He was set there today, but he was moved off of the docket. Oh, he's this afternoon. I'm gonna see him for this afternoon. I see he's scheduled for an arraignment at 1:30. It's canceled.
He has an arraignment at 1:30, Your Honor.
That's what it says here, but I don't see him on the docket for 1:30.
Oh.
So this was scheduled for an arraignment today at 1:30, but then it got moved off my calendar and went to Judge Perkins.
Oh.
But I don't see another date. This is for, yeah. So his tickets are warrant status. So will it go back, come to me, or will it go back to? Because it was taken off my document.
I think we'll go back. Why was it gone?
See your alpha?
So what I just, do we just give him another date?
What's the ticket?
SP 1425312, and then it's count one. No, SP 1425312.
Yeah, you can see the judge break is perfect.
Right. Let's see. Go to today,
Oh, yeah, it's scheduled for.
but it was taken off my docket.
Scheduled for. You know what, I think whoever scheduled it for you made a mistake because.
So that's going to go to Judge Perkins.
Yeah,
So Ms. Villarreal, he's supposed to be in Judge Perkins' courtroom.
Today?
no, because it's already in warrant status.
It's in warrant status already.
That's his clerk there, they put him in warrant status.
So.
Okay.
I guess he would need to get it, we need to get a date.
I think he has to come down and get it out of warrant status and then they'll give him another date.
So I think he needs to come down to the court to get it out of warrant status, and then he would get a date with Judge Perkins.
Okay, and then he would get a date.
Sure.
When he comes in to take care of the warrant status, is there any money he needs to pay?
But Judge, if he go to Zoom into Judge Perkins' courtroom, Judge Perkins, he usually be nice enough to remove that warrant for him and give him a court date.
So, yeah, if Ms. Villarreal needs to go, so if she's willing to do that, then, if they log into Judge Perkins.
Why don't we do that? I can ask him to Zoom into Judge Perkins now.
Yes.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
He's in 434.
Right, 434. Thank you so much. Wait, señor Ramírez Pérez, apunte este número. Apunte 360.
Espérame, chiquitito.
He's going to get a pen, Your Honor.
Dígame.
360
Sí.
360 434 0000.
¿Cuántos
Usted
ceros,
va a
disculpe?
¿Cómo?
¿Cuántos ceros, disculpe?
4.
Oh, está bien. Es 360 434 0000.
So it's 360-434-0000?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sí, sí, señor.
Ajá.
Quiero que marque ese número ahora para que entre por Zoom. Tenemos que estar ante otro juez.
Oh, está bien.
Salga de esta sala y entonces vuelve a entrar al Zoom con el nuevo número que le di. ¿Ok?
Oh, sí, está bien. Gracias.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Take care. Goodbye, Mr. Ray.
Bye-bye. Have a nice one.
You too.
Mr. Your Honor, Corporal McCree is back and we already did his matter.
Yeah, we did, Mrs. Corporal McCree, we did he pled to, the prosecutor offered an allowing, because, I don't know, there was whatever.
He want to get his license back.
Yeah, he needs to get his license back, so she did offer an allowing, he pled to that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Dozier, you're gonna have to remove your hat. You in court. Oh,
Yeah, Mr. Dozier, we're gonna get to you in a moment. Are you about to board the plane? Don't talk too loud. All right, we'll do Mario Delahue. This is the people versus.
Could I open court, Judge? 36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding while court's in session. There's no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, smoking, or eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device and give your full attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. This is the people versus Mario Delahue, ticket number SP 1321360, count 1, drove with revoked license. That was count 1, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, expired plate. Strike that, there is no count 3. Ticket number SP 1416266, count 1, drove with license count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and ticket number SP 1416249. Count 1, violation of basic speed laws, road unsafe manner. Count 2, 10 windows. Count 3, fail to signal. Good morning, please say your name.
Good morning, Jane Carver on behalf of Mr. Delahue. Mr. Delahue, can you state your name, please?
Mario Delahue.
Today is a date and time set for trial. Mr. Delahue would like to take advantage of the people's offer and plead responsible to blockading and guilty to fail to display a valid license.
Okay, before we do that, let me just, I do see another ticket in here that is not docketed. Let me just see. That.
Believe that ticket that she's speaking of was from a prior incident.
Oh, it's already been addressed, so never mind.
Okay.
So she's pleading to fail to display and blockading.
Yes, and he is on his way to get his license back as well this July.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Delahue. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Carver, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will
Yes.
because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of December 16, 2022 at 8:45 p.m. on that date and time you had your Curtis and Livernois in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Were you driving a 2005 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving, was your driver's license revoked?
Yes.
You're satisfied with the car?
Yes.
For $1,000 basis will amend that count to fail to display. You stipulate to the face of the ticket count 1 for ticket number ending in 249.
Yes.
Right, so that count 1 is amended to blockading, and then you stipulate your probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
Yes.
Without prejudice, we will proceed to sentencing. So there's a $200 fine for the fail to display. And then for the blockading, there's a $175 fine. So yeah, so usually with civil infractions, you have 14 days to pay it, but because you have a misdemeanor as well, you'll have, I'll just give you until May 15th to pay the amount, so pay the amount, so can you pay the $375 by May 15th?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No question.
So you are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Uh-oh. You had another ticket. I meant to do with that.
Was it a dismissal?
Yeah, this is ticket number 217245152. Count 1, operator's license in possession. Ms. Carver, you stipulate the probable cause.
Yes.
This is without prejudice. This is the people versus Diham Daco, ticket number U51021519, count 1, operating without a city of Detroit business license. Good morning, please say your name.
Jane Carver on behalf of Mr. Daco. Can you state your name, please? You're on mute, sir.
Look on the bottom left-hand corner, sir. Should be a microphone, tap that. Bottom left-hand corner.
Hello? I apologize about the voice. Yeah, Your Honor, you can hear me now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry. I got the ticket when I
Say
was.
your name. Just say your name. Just say your name.
I apologize. My name is Daham Dako, Diham. My last name is Dakho. I'm sorry.
You're fine. All right, go ahead, Ms. Carver.
And I got the ticket when I was
Mr.
helping.
Mr. Dacko, Ms. Carver is a really good lawyer. Let her do the talking for you.
I apologize.
Okay? Go ahead, Ms. Carver. I think she's frozen. Hold on. I think Ms. Carver froze.
For pre-trial, so he can bring back that proof.
Say it all over again, Ms. Carver. You were frozen.
We'd like to set this matter for a pre-trial so he can bring back proof of the business license. He is just set this matter for a pre-trial.
All right, so we're gonna set this matter for April 25th at 8:35 for a pre-trial.
Make sure you write that down, April 25th.
April.
Same Zoom.
Yeah, April 25th. What time?
8:35.
8:35. April 25, 8:35. Okay.
All right, see you then. Good luck.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So Mr. Teacher is here. His license is canceled. He has 3 civil infractions, so that are already in default. So I'm sure you guys would be asking to just dismiss the bill to display. Yes? No, you might want to put.
Yes.
Okay, great. Mr. Dozier, unmute yourself. We're gonna call your case really quickly. Turn your video on. This is the people versus Aaron Dozier, ticket number 2272.
I hear you. I'm trying to do it right now.
Okay, just ticket number 2, this is people versus Aaron Dozier, ticket number 22725-271, count 1. Fails to display valid operator's license, not a person, your warning to say your name correctly.
Jane Carver on behalf of Mr. Dozier. Mr. Dozier, can you state your name?
Around those.
So, this recommendation is to dismiss, you stipulate probable cause, Ms. Carver.
Yes.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Dozier, you have 3 civil infractions that are already in default. You need to pay them.
Yeah, I had missed that court date. I was out of town. And when I was calling for like 2 or 3 days trying to get in touch with y'all to reschedule them court dates, but they already sent me the paperwork saying that it was set in default. So I guess there wasn't nothing I could do about that. But I'm gonna take care of them though. I definitely can take care of that for you.
All right, so you're all set, sir. Good luck. Your matter was dismissed. So you gotta pay.
And you say the ruling for today is dismissed.
Yes, the misdemeanor was dismissed, but you got those.
Okay, yeah, I'll make sure I take care of them. You send me the default paperwork, so I got that, and I'm gonna take care of it.
Good luck, sir.
Okay, thank you.